The new Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, featuring a large display, quad cameras, and a long-lasting battery, all at an affordable price. And best of all, it's ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Hey there, it's Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the new Samsung Galaxy A23 5G inside and out. Let's get into it. The Galaxy A23 5G is built with a big 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It makes it great for watching your favorite shows and videos. The A23 5G comes with a quad rear camera with a 50-megapixel main camera, as well as an ultra-wide, depth, and macro cameras ready to capture your memories. And for those selfie moments, you have a front-facing 8-megapixel camera ready for action. We know that staying powered throughout the day is key. The Galaxy A23 5G's got your back. It's got a 5,000 milliamp hour long-lasting battery that's also compatible with 25-watt super fast charging for when you need to quickly get some extra juice. Inside, the A23 5G comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of built-in storage that's expandable up to 1 terabyte via the micro SD card slot. And with the A23 5G's fingerprint reader, you'll get quick and secure access to your phone with just a touch. Now, it's time to get inside the box. Inside, we've got the new Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, a quick start guide, SIM pin, and a USB-C charging cable. The new Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, featuring a large display, quad cameras, and a long-lasting battery, all at an affordable price. And best of all, it's ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new Samsung Galaxy A23 5G online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.